This right here is the combustion of ethanoic acid. So here's a ethanoic acid. Yeah, or you can also call this acetic acid. So when you do the combustion of it, you get CO2 and H2O. So very similar to the other ones we've talked about. So you want to balance this equation by first balancing the carbon, then the hydrogen, and finally what? And finally oxygen. So carbon first. I think carbon is fine because we have one carbon here and one carbon here. Next is the hydrogen. We have 3 plus 1, 4. So we're going to have to put a 2 there to make it 4. And finally the oxygen. So let's count. How many oxygen do we have here? We have 2 and we have 2. Here we have 2 and we have 2. Oh, why is everything looking so good? What's going on? Yeah, I guess that's it then. Is that it? Something looks off. Oh, yeah, I see it now. Good. The carbon was not balanced actually. So let me just start it all over again. The carbon here is 2. I didn't see the second one. See it hiding over here. So 2 carbon. So I needed to have put 2 here. Yes. I was expecting the question to be a little challenging. So we have 2 carbons there, right? So that's why I have to have a 2 there first. The next thing I want to do is to balance the hydrogen, right? So 3 and this is 4. So definitely I have my 2 here. Now it's time to check out the oxygen. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So in total I have 6. I must have 6 on this side in total. I already have 2 here out of that 6. So I need 4 more, right? So it means I have to place a 2 here so that when I multiply this 2 by this 2, I'll get 4, right? So you see how it is done. Now that balances the whole thing. Once again, the name of this reaction is combustion because I'm getting carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so have fun.